What's up guys, welcome back to another work from home remote video. And in this video I have a really exciting news. I actually have 5 typing jobs, or actually 5 transcription jobs that you can do from just about anywhere in the world. And you can use these jobs, you can work as much or as little as you want, and you can make some money online. Now, these jobs are a bit harder to find, so if you're wondering why I don't oftentimes post a lot of jobs that are workable in just about every country, it's because these jobs are very hard to find. And even though I may come across a lot of these jobs, sometimes they either just don't pay enough, like they don't pay a lot of money, or there's no work, so you won't be making any money, or they have terrible reviews online. So finding online remote work from home jobs from anywhere in the world is a bit harder, but luckily in this video I have 5, so stick around because we're gonna go through all these jobs. Now, first one on the list is gonna be this right here. It's HappyScribe, and here it says transcription jobs from home. Enjoy the flexibility of working from home. Join a global community of transcribers from the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more countries. So this is how it works here. You submit your application, which will require you to take an assessment test and complete a questionnaire, and then they'll get back to you. The second part of this process is you will show what you could do. You will select a transcription, and then you'll start working on that transcription, and then you get paid via bank transfer every 2 weeks. Also, for this particular company, it says here they're trusted by over 100,000 users and teams of all sizes, including BBC, Forbes, Spotify, and all these other companies or organizations. So you can come on this website. I'll leave the link down below. But you can come here, you can hit apply, and you can sign up to become a freelance work from home transcriber. Now, this is what they say the pay will be. So it's on average around 90 cents euros per minute of transcribing, and around 450 euros on average per month. And also the people that are earning the most here are making around 3,000 euros per month. Now, to get a realistic estimate of how much money you can make here, I went over to Glassdoor. So on Glassdoor, they don't have a lot of salaries here, or at least not transcriber salaries. So the closest thing I could find was content writer. They're making anywhere from 53 to 88,000. I doubt you will make that much working as a transcriber here. I think it would be more closer to 450 euros per month. So that's what you can expect to make, and then you can do the calculations based on what your local currency is to see what that amounts to in either dollars or pesos or whatever local currency you are using. But this is just another work from home job that you can use from just about anywhere in the world, and you can make some money. Now, before I go any further in the video, just a quick reminder guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel I talk about ways to make money, save money, invest, credit cards, work from home jobs, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. Link is down below. But let's move on to the next job. So the next one is going to be this website, or this company here. It's Daily Transcription, and you can just hop on over to the careers page, and here it says, are you interested in a transcription career? Start here. Basically, you can click here and you can apply. But let's look at some of the benefits. So it says flexibility, you get to create your own schedule, work where and whenever you want. Assignments are always paid weekly, whereas most competitors pay bi-weekly. So the first one we just covered, HappyScribe, they pay bi-weekly. Daily Transcription, they pay weekly, so you get paid every week. Also, they pay higher rates than others. So here they specifically noted that they paid more than Rev, Transcribe Me, Transcription Puppy, Scribby, and some of the others. Also, you get training, feedback, and coaching. You also get to spend more time with your family while you earn extra income for your house. And here it says, we don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day or week, but our top transcriptionists can make anywhere from $350 to $1,250 per week. Now, I think that is really good if you're a stay-at-home mom or you already have a job, you need a side gig, or if you have no job and you really need something to do. $350 to $1,250 per week is really good, especially since you don't really need any experience and you get training here. Now, as you can see, they have positions for transcriptionist, captioner, and also Spanish transcriptionist. So if you're bilingual, this is something that you could look into. You may be able to make some more money here, or you have access to more jobs because then you'd have access to transcriptionist and also Spanish transcriptionist jobs. So you could potentially make more money here. So this is what they're looking for. They're looking for people who want to work from home, stay-at-home mothers, fathers, students, part-time teachers, writers, just anyone who wants supplementary income. They want you to be highly detailed. They want you to be able to meet strict deadlines. And as it says here, professionals, novices, and beginners are all welcome to apply. So even if you have absolutely no experience, then you can apply here. You have a good chance of getting one of these jobs and making some money. Now, again, let's go over to Glassdoor and see if we can get an estimate or a more accurate estimate of what people are actually making here. And on Glassdoor, the jobs here, it says transcriptionist, English transcriptionist, freelance transcriptionist. These are probably all the same thing, just reported by different people with different names, transcriber. So it seems as if you'd be making anywhere in the high 30s. So this is 37,000, 39,000, 38,000. So in the high 30s, that's what you can expect to make here if you made this a full-time gig. So that's what you can look out for. Now, next on the list is gonna be this company right here. It's QuickTate. And again, this is a transcriptionist type of job. So this is what they do here. And these are some of the companies that they work with, very big names here, but this is what they do here. They transcribe to-do lists, legal notes, field notes, general reports, medical reports, veterinary reports, letters and memos, insurance letters, voicemail messages, just everything that you could think of. Now, to become a transcriber here, all you got to do is click right here and you'll sign up, and that will move you forward in the process. Now, for this one, they never stated or gave us an idea of how much money you could make here per week or per month. So again, we could go over to Glassdoor, and on Glassdoor, there weren't any reported salaries for this company for a transcriber. So Glassdoor is giving us an estimate, and it says it's anywhere from 39,000 base pay to 59. Now, based on what we saw before with daily transcription, who claims that they, pay more than Rev and more than all of the other transcription websites, people have reported salaries at around $38,000 and $39,000. So I think that Glassdoor is somewhere in the ballpark here, with it being at around 39,000. Now, will you make that much? That depends on how many jobs you have available to you every single day, how fast you are, how good you are, all these factors. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna get these jobs and you're just gonna start making $39,000 or more per year. It could be a whole lot less, and it could be slightly more, so keep that in mind. Now, next on the list, next one I want to cover is 3Play Media. Again, this is kind of similar type of job, and here it says they do audio transcriptions, live captioning, translations, integrations, all these different things, and this is what they do here. So you could go over to jobs here, and we can look at some of the jobs here. So they have full-time careers, but what we want to look at is the freelance transcriptionist jobs here. And another good thing about 3Play Media is if you are bilingual, then you have access to more jobs, because here you can be a English transcriptionist. You can also be a Spanish transcriptionist. So if there are only 5 jobs for you to do here today here, then you only do 5 jobs, but they could be 5 here and then another 5 here. So you could do 10. So if you speak 2 languages, then you have that advantage. You could potentially make a lot more money. And this is what they want you to have. They don't need you to have a degree, and they don't need you to have 2+ years of experience. All they need is excellent written communication skills, excellent grammar and punctuation, proficiency with internet research and reference sources, ability to manage projects, work independently and closely and follow instructions, and you need to be at least 18 years of age. So you can come on this website. I'll leave the link down below. You can apply here and make some money. Now again, they didn't list the salary or how much you can make. So based on Glassdoor for 3Play Media, based on salaries reported, these are a bit higher. Here it is, 40,000 based on 4 salaries. Some salaries here were 50,000. So it's quite close to the other ones that we looked at. They all pay just around in the same ballpark. Now, finally, the 5th company I want to talk about is Casting Words. Now, Casting Words is a similar type of job. And if you go onto the hiring page here, it says, head over here, take the test and get started. So no degree required, no experience required. You're simply going to take some tests, and based on that, they'll let you know if you can work here as a transcriber or not. And again, guys, I'll leave all the links down below to all these jobs. They are worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can sign up here and you can make some money. Now, an estimate of how much you can make here, this is Casting Words. So here again, around the same ballpark, 10 salaries submitted starts off at 42,000. 2 salaries submitted here, 36,000. So it is within a similar range of all the other jobs. So we have Casting Words, we have 3Play Media, we have QuickTate, we have Daily Transcription, and we also have HappyScribe. So I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you have any experience working with any of these particular companies. Let me know what the experience was like. Let me know how much you were able to make. Let me know how many jobs, or if there were a lot of jobs available to you every single day. And with that said, thanks for watching. All the best in your job search for your dream remote work from home job that pays you a lot. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.